Hi, Jocelyn. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so how are you today?
I'm fine.
That's good. It seems like you're sad, but don't worry. Our activity for today is exciting because, as you can see, in the table we have different objects here. Are you familiar with them?
Yes.
Very good. So where are we usually using these objects?
In the kitchen.
Okay, very good. That's nice. So what are we going to do now is I will define each object, and then you are going to choose the things that the particular object that I'm defining. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, the first object would be it's usually round, and it's used to put the food that you usually eat. So what do you think it is? Usually it's made of plastic or paper or ceramics. Okay, do you know what do you call that one?
Plate.
Okay, very good. It's a plate, or sometimes they call it as a dish also. So now the second object is it is used to grate cheese or some vegetables to cut them small into small pieces, and they this object is usually made of metal, or sometimes can be made of plastic as well. What do you think is this? Okay, have you already?
Grater.
Grater, very good. You're very familiar with this. So, do you love cooking?
Yes.
So, what are the food that you like to cook or you like to bake?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Wow, that's nice. What else?
Adobo.
Adobo. Oh, it's a Filipino dish, right? Okay, I love adobo also. So now let's move on to the third object. So this one is usually round also, but it's deeper, and it's used to serve food or to prepare food. And usually it's made of ceramic, as sometimes it's made of plastic. What do you think? Okay, very good. Do you know what it's being called?
Bowl.
It's a bowl. Okay, very good. So now the fourth object is it's a pair of sticks used to get food from the plate. So it's usually used by Chinese people, Japanese people, or Chinese people. What do you think it is? Okay, very good. So, do you know how to use it?
Yes.
Wow, that's very nice. So, I hope one day you will teach me how to do it. Okay, and then the fourth object is no. First, second, third, fourth. The fifth object is it's used when you are cutting food, like vegetables or any like cheese also, or ham, and usually it's made of plastic or wood. What do you think it is? What do you call that?
Chopping board.
Okay, it's the chopping board. Very good. So moving on to the next object. This object is used when you are baking, because when you are baking you need to measure ingredients, right? So it's usually made of plastic because it needs to be transparent. So what do you think it is? What do you call that? Measuring cup. Okay, very good. And then the next object is you use it when you drink juice or water, and it's made of it's cylinder, and usually it's transparent. What do you think it is?